Turning off your Samsung Galaxy A57 is simple once you know where to look. Whether you want to use the hardware buttons, the quick settings panel, or an on-screen shortcut, this guide covers every method step by step. Method 1. Use the side key and volume down button. This is the fastest and most common way to turn off your Samsung Galaxy A57. Press and hold the side power key and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them for about 2 to 3 seconds until the power menu appears on the screen. Once you see the menu, tap power off. Samsung will ask you to confirm your choice, so tap power off one more time. Your phone will begin shutting down and within a few seconds it will be completely powered off. This method works even if the side key is set to launch the AI assistant when pressed by itself. Method 2. Use the quick settings panel. If you prefer not to use the physical buttons or they're difficult to press, Samsung lets you access the power menu from the quick settings panel. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down once again to expand the full quick settings menu. Look for the power icon in the top right corner and tap it. The power menu will appear instantly. Select power off, then tap it again to confirm. Your Galaxy A57 will safely shut down. Method 3. Turn on the assistant menu. If you want an on-screen power button that's always available, you can enable Samsung's assistant menu. Open the settings app and scroll down to accessibility. Tap interaction and dexterity, then turn on the toggle next to assistant menu. A small floating button will appear on your screen. Tap this button anytime, browse through the available options, and select the power off icon. Confirm your choice and your phone will shut down without using any physical buttons. These are 3 simple ways to power off your Samsung Galaxy A57. Choose the method that works best for you, and you'll be able to turn your phone off quickly whenever you need to. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who uses a Samsung Galaxy device.